Hi guys, you can call me just Jay, and welcome to my channel Frontend Pow. I am front-end developer with more than 5 years experience. I would like to show how to become a front-end developer from the very beginning. I call it the ninja way. First of all, sorry guys for my poor English and beside of teaching your programming, I want to improve my English as well. I think for people who live in non-English speaking countries, running YouTube channel is a way to have some language practice. So let's start. Web programming basically is divided into front-end and back-end. Front-end is usually called client-side development, and it refers to creating what users sees when load web application, like content, design, and interaction. Backend is server-side one. It controls what goes on behind the web application and um, interacts with databases. The basic language of front-end development is JavaScript. Backend is written in many coding languages and frameworks such as PHP, Ruby on Rails, ASP.NET, Perl, Java, Node.js, Python. So we are focusing front-end development. We have to know JavaScript, but before we start learning it, we must know some other things. The first one is HTML, then CSS, and only then JavaScript. But you should know that mostly knowledge of JavaScript is not enough. There are some additional frameworks which are used on JavaScript. There are a lot of them, but I think that nowadays the most popular are Angular, React, Vue.js. So, what is framework? In a few words, it's an instrument which simplifies process of coding and running web application. You don't have to write a huge amount of code and waste your time on searching potential mistakes. So guys, that's it for the first time. Next time we start learning HTML. Thanks for listening, and if you like my video, please subscribe. See you. Bye bye.